When you're in the market for a new home, it's crucial to be vigilant about potential issues that could turn your dream purchase into a nightmare. My name is Gary Fabian, and I'm a realtor with Coldwell Banker Realty in Charleston, South Carolina. Here are 5 key house hunting red flags you should avoid when buying a home to ensure you're making a sound investment. Number 1, evidence of water damage. One of the most significant red flags to watch out for is evidence of water damage. Visible signs such as stains on ceilings and walls or the presence of mold and mildew odors can indicate serious underlying problems. Water damage can lead to structural issues and health risks. If you notice any signs, it's essential to have a thorough inspection. Your buyer's agent can help negotiate necessary repairs if you're set on purchasing the home despite these issues. Be sure to connect with a real estate expert who can help you navigate through these issues to make sure you're making the best decisions. And speaking of real estate experts, if you're looking to buy a home anywhere in the country or even around the world, I've got you covered. Just click the link in the description, fill out the form, and I'll help you find the perfect realtor for your needs. I'm happy to vet and interview them to ensure you get the best one. Let's find your dream home together. Number 2, strong plug-ins or air fresheners. Be cautious if you encounter a home with an overpowering fragrance from plug-ins or air fresheners. While a pleasant scent can be inviting, it can also be a tactic used by sellers to mask unpleasant odors. Strong smells can be indicative of hidden problems such as mold, mildew, or pet damage. When considering a home with strong fragrances, ensure you investigate further to uncover any potential issues. Number 3, the house is renovated. A recently renovated home might seem like a great deal, but it can also be a red flag. Quick flips or poorly executed renovations can lead to significant problems down the line. It's essential to verify that all renovations were done to code and with proper permits. Sometimes renovations are performed to cover up existing issues rather than improve the property. A detailed inspection can help you uncover any hidden problems that the renovations might be concealing. Number 4, the price is significantly below market value. A home price well below market value can be tempting, but also warrants caution. Such pricing might indicate underlying problems with the property. It's crucial to investigate why the price is lower than comparable homes in the area. While it could be due to benign reasons such as a seller's urgent need to relocate, it might also point to issues like structural problems, legal complications, or neighborhood concerns. Conduct a thorough investigation and consult with your buyer's agent to understand the full picture. And number 5, if a home has been on the market for an extended period, it can be a red flag. Properties that linger on the market might have hidden issues. They might be overpriced or have failed previous inspections. It's essential to understand why the home hasn't sold. Your buyer's agent can research the property's history and uncover reasons for the extended listing period. Sometimes there are legitimate reasons, but it's crucial to have all the information before making a decision. When house hunting, staying alert to these red flags can save you from future headaches and financial strain. Always conduct thorough inspections, ask questions, and consult with a real estate expert to ensure you're making a well-informed decision. By being proactive and cautious, you can find a home that not only meets your needs, but is also a sound investment for your future. Happy house hunting!